Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today, I will show how to fix Spotify login problem. Let's go. Many users encounter an error message that says this email and password combination is incorrect. If you see this message, don't worry. I will guide you through some simple steps. First of all, open up the Spotify mobile app. Then, tap Login at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the login page where you typically enter your email and password. Here's where we'll fix login problem. Instead of entering your credentials, look for an option that says Login without password. Tap on this option. Now tap on the text box provided and type in either the email address or username associated with your Spotify account. Make sure it's entered correctly to avoid any errors. After entering your information, tap on Get Link. This will send you an email with a special link that allows you to log in without needing a password. Next up, it's time to check your email. Tap on Open Email App. You can choose between Gmail or any other mail application installed on your device. Once your email app is open, locate the email sent by Spotify. If you don't see it immediately, check your spam or junk folder just in case. When you found it, go ahead and tap on that email inside. This email, look for a button that says Go to Spotify. Tap this button. It will redirect you straight back into your account without needing a password. You are now logged back into your Spotify account. From here, feel free to start listening to music right away. Alternatively, if you'd like to set a new password for future logins, you can easily do so. There you have it, a straightforward solution for fixing that pesky login problem with Spotify. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.